Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install Flutter with Android Studio and run your first Flutter app. So let's get started. For this, just search for Flutter. We'll be having the official link from flutter.dev. Click it. Just select Get Started. And here we'll be directly taken to the Quick Start. If you just scroll down, just select Windows, okay? Here we'll be having Install Flutter manually. Just select it and again scroll down. Make sure that Windows is selected. So the first prerequisite is we must have Git for Windows. So in case if you don't have Git, make sure that you are installing Git. So I will do that first. So just search for Git. We'll be having the link. Select it and click on Install for Windows. And here I will just select Windows 64 setup. It is around 62 MB in size. Once the download is complete, open it. We'll be getting the Git setup. Select Next. And if you want to change the location, click on Browse and change it. After that, just click on Next. This is fine. Click on Next. 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 Just keep clicking Next. This is fine. I will go with the recommended one. Yep, just keep going and just select Install and the installation will begin. Once it is done, just click on Finish. This is fine. You can simply close it. And now go to Search, open command prompt and just run the command git space ---- version. That's it. This is fine. Now let's just scroll down. Here we are having download the Flutter SDK bundle. So just select this. This is a zip file. Click on Save. It is around 1.8 GB in size. So just be patient. Once the download is complete, just right click and select Extract All and click on Extract. Once it has been extracted, make sure that you are cutting the extracted folder and go to local disk D or E or local disk C if you have more space. Create a new folder here named Flutter and simply paste it. If you want, you can directly extract the folder here also. Once it is done, just go inside the folder and here you will be having the bin. Just click here and copy this path. Okay, Control C. Now go to search and type edit. We'll be having the edit the system environment variables. Select it. Here click on environment variables. Now under user variables or system variables, click on path and select edit new. Just paste this path. Okay, make sure that you're having the bin folder. Click on OK everywhere. Now just open command prompt and run the command flutter space ---- version. We need to get the Flutter version as well as the dot version like this. If you don't get this, this means you have added the wrong path in the environment variable. The next command that you need to run is flutter space doctor and hit enter. It says we have two issues, which is we don't have the IDE. So in this case, I'm going to install Android Studio. So just go to search and type Android Studio. We'll be having the official link. Select it. And here we are having download Android Studio Coil 3. Select it. We'll be getting this pop-up. Just scroll down. You can read it through and click on download and save. The download will be getting started. Just be patient for a while. It is around 1.4 GB in size. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the Android Studio setup. Just click on Next and make sure that you are checking this Android virtual device. With the help of it, we can run Android apps on the emulator. So really good feature. Click on that and select Next. This is going to be the installation location. If you are fine with the default location, just click on next, else click on browse and change it. Select next, install. Once it is completed, click on next and make sure that you are checking this start Android Studio and click on finish. We'll be getting this help to improve Android Studio. If you want to send or not send, that's up to you. We'll be getting the Android Studio wizard. Just click on next. I'm fine with the standard one. If you want to choose the custom one, you can, and check the components that are to be installed. I will just select next, and these are the stuff that are going to get installed. So if you are fine, just click on next and read it through the license agreement, accept and select next. This will take some time to download, so just be patient. Once the downloading components are over, just click on finish. We'll be getting this welcome to Android Studio. Leave that aside and open a new command prompt. This time again we are going to run the flutter doctor command. So flutter doctor. Now it is saying command line tools component is missing. So to fix this, again go to the welcome to Android Studio. Here we are having more actions, expand it and select SDK manager. Here we are having the SDK tools. Just check this Android SDK command line tools. After that, click on apply. OK here. This will take some time to download. Just be patient. Once it is done, just click on finish, apply and OK. Now again go to the command prompt and just run flutter doctor again. This time we are not getting that previous issue. The final one that we need to do is Android licenses are not accepted. To resolve this, run this command. So just copy this, paste it, hit enter. And review licenses, just press the key Y, hit enter. Y again, hit enter. Again Y. Again. Okay, so many. Okay, now we have got all SDK package licenses are accepted. Again, for a final confirmation, let's run flutter doctor. So as you can see, this time we are not getting any issues. Visual Studio is only needed for Windows desktop apps. So in case if you're going to create desktop apps using Flutter, you need to get this. Now this is done. Let's go and install the Flutter plugin in Android Studio. So just go to this window and here we are having plugins. Just search here for Flutter under Marketplace and we'll be having the official Flutter plugin from Google and it has around 25 million installations. So just select install. Once it is installed, it says restart IDE. So just select it and restart. After restarting, as you can see, we are having this new Flutter project thing because of the plugin that we added. So just select this. And here we need to click on Flutter and make sure that you are adding this Flutter SDK path. So for this, click on this 3 dots and you must go to the folder where you have extracted that Flutter zip file. So in my case, I'm having that in local disk D, Flutter, go inside and another folder. So you just need to add the root Flutter folder, okay, which is this one. Alright, so be careful over here. After that, just click on select folder. That path will be getting added here. Now click on next. Just have a name for your project. So I will just go with Flutter demo. You can choose the Android language of your choice. And these are the platforms that we're going to create. I am fine with Android, iOS and web. If you want, you can add the rest also. And the description and the organization, you can change it. And next is the project location. If you want to change it, you can. Just click on create. We'll be getting this creating Flutter project and this will take some time. We will be taken to our Flutter project and this is some default boilerplate code that gets automatically added. It's basically a count incrementer. So now let's see how we can run this project in our emulator. So for that, to the right we'll be having this device manager. Select it At the moment it is empty because we haven't added any devices. So just click on add a new device and here select create virtual device. And if you are getting Windows hypervisor platform is not enabled, just click on enable. So here it says enable Windows hypervisor platform to ensure that Android emulator is compatible with the system. So only after this we will be able to run our app in the emulator. So I would recommend you to click on this enable and restart now. Okay, so this will restart your system. Now again go to this device manager and click on add a new device, create virtual device, and this time we won't be getting that warning anymore. And here we are having multiple devices. So we are having for phone, tablet, the watch, desktop, TV, automotive and XR. So many types of applications that we can develop an Flutter app. So I will just go with phone, and so many mobile phone devices also available, the Pixel phones. So you can just choose the one of your choice based upon the API level, the height and the width. Okay, so just select any one of these and click on next. Have a name for the device, and here you can select the API level of your choice. That is done. And services, Google Play. If you want to change any additional settings for your phone, you can just change it over here, the RAM and stuff. I will just leave it to the default one and click on finish. And it says it wants to download this. Click on yes and let the download complete. Once it is done, just click on finish. And as you can see, the emulator has been added, Pixel 10 Pro. You can simply click on this play button which says start. It will take some time to start, and this is our Pixel 10 Pro emulator. Now to run this demo project, here we will be having this drop down. Select it, and here we are having Pixel 10 Pro mobile. Select this and click on this run main dot. It will take some time for the app to run because this is the first time we are doing, and as you can see, this is the default app output. So we are having a simple counter, and each time we press, the count gets incremented. And in case if you want to make any changes over here, for example, here we are having this text, right? You have pushed this button, so you can simply click Ctrl and F and search for you have. As you can see, we are having this text, and let's suppose I want to change it. I'm just going to edit it and put a random text over here, and just click on this hot reload. As you can see, the text has been changed over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.